You've probably seen the style before, but this one's a little different. This is a compact, efficient, and essential little portable ultralight gas stove. We're looking at something from Fire Maple today. It's the FMS 300T. Let's check it out. So you've probably seen this style of stove, okay? We have seen it with the BRS 300, I believe. I don't know. I forget the number designation on it. But it is ultralight. The problem is pretty much all it's good for is boiling water because it's just non-stop flame. There is no simmer. This one has one heck of a good simmer. It is a little bit heavier, but it's a whole lot of a better performer. So this one's made up not only of titanium, but stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. Again, so it makes it a little bit on the heavy side, but not a problem at all. It's still super lightweight at 45 grams or 1.59 ounces. This does use isobutane or propane, so you can decide whichever one you want to use. You probably will need an adapter if you want to use a propane tank on it. However, for size today, I have this little refillable isobutane canister. I got this with a lamp. If you guys look back on it, you'll probably see my review. This is a neat little refillable isobutane canister. So together, that makes for one heck of a small cook kit, or at least a small stove, not a cook kit. So folded size on this is 1 inch by 2.1 inches, 2.01 inches. Unfolded size is going to be about 3.35 inches by 2.68 inches. So this will fold up really compact, fits right in your hand, right like that. Really, really small, has a little case that comes with it. And the best part about it is it's not super expensive. Normally things that are titanium, small, and lightweight cost a fortune. This is $29.95. So, using my code, you can even save more money. My code will be down there. It's Iridium242. And you can check it out. What I'd like to do with this today is I want to see how fast this will boil 2 cups of water. Okay, they say it'll do 1 liter of water in about 3 minutes and 50 seconds, right? So we're going to try it out and see. And I'm going to be using this new little canister because I just want to test this out as a new small portable cook kit. And we're going to try it out and see how well it works using that new canister. Now the canister is full. I filled it up, and it's easy enough to do. You weigh them out and fill it up. It's a very simple process. But anyway, I want to try it out with this new canister and see if it's efficient to the point that I expect it to be or not. So let me get this set up. I got some water over here in a titanium cup, and you can see how that could all be one little cook kit and boil water kit and everything. Got it all set up there. We're going to try it out and time it and see how it does. All right, so we got it all ready here to go. I'm going to show you how I unfold these stoves because they can be a little confusing sometimes. What I do is I point everything up straight, okay? Because if you try to do this, especially when you close it, it'll catch over one and one will catch over the other, and then I just push them all backwards like that. Make sure this is closed, okay? Now we're going to put this on here and just try it out and see how it goes on. This is a neat little, I really like these little refillable canisters. They're very handy. I forget what I got it from, but you guys will probably see it. If you would check back on my videos, you can see when I reviewed it in the past. What we're going to do is light it. Now I want you to see how low this will simmer. So this is useful not only for rapid boiling, but for cooking over as well. Get a little flame going there. There you go. Now I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there's actually a flame going there. Let's turn off the top light and see. Yeah, see? You can see that. That is really cool to have that low simmer ability and then be able to turn it up to a blowtorch. So let's get the water on here. I got to get my alarm clock set up here. Okay, got my timer. We're going to turn it all the way up. Put this up too. And we're going to stick this on here. There we go. And start the timer. And I'll bring you back when we get some boiling water. All right, looks like we got a boil going. Yep, we do. I'm going to stop it right there. 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Let me take you up and show you. So there you go. Got a quick boil on that. That is insane. So 2 cups of water, 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Very, very fast and efficient. And I got to say, for the size of this thing and the fact that it can simmer low. Like if I wanted to keep that water warm now, I could do that. You know, if it was for coffee or something and I wanted to keep it warm, I could take this and keep it on a lower flame and get a much better kind of simmer on it and not boil it full speed. So if I wanted to, say, cook an egg or scrambled eggs or something on that, I could, and the flame pattern kind of spreads out on the bottom of the pan, which I noticed too. So I've been really impressed with this. I've had this since Christmas time, and they've just released it, so I did want to share it with you guys because I thought it was just such a cool little item. Another thing that's nice about the titanium parts on top is they do cool off fairly quickly. So if you need to cook yourself a meal and then, you know, move out quickly, and those are hot, I can feel them, but they're not like, you know, hot where they're going to burn my finger and leave a mark. They're warm, so they do cool down pretty quick. The valve on this is just so perfect. It is a little bit tighter than the other BRS stove, and that's because it's a little more accurate. So I can just move it just a little tiny bit like that and get myself a good, steady simmer instead of a rolling, burning boil. So I'm really impressed with it. The weight on it, like I said, is 45 grams or 1.59 ounces. Really small when it's folded up. I believe they said it was 3 minutes 50 seconds per liter. It will run on isobutane and propane. And again, it's not going to be as light as that BRS titanium stove, but with what you got here, you've got the ability to simmer and boil, which is a little bit of an added thing. And let's face it, what is it, 0.25 grams or something? I think it's like 20 grams. Okay, so instead of it being 25 grams, which is the BRS stove, this one's 45. So definitely really, really cool, nice and compact. It is brand new from Fire Maple. I have some other stuff that's going to be coming out from them soon. So if you like stove and cook set reviews and stuff, I love doing them. I love doing them myself. But if you like those, we have some more stuff coming up from Fire Maple, and I have found the reason I kind of settled on Fire Maple for my gear is because I found it to be most reliable. I got a lot of stuff in the beginning of my channel from all over the place, you know, and most of it was good, but it wasn't exceptional. Fire Maple stuff is really good quality, exceptional quality, works very, very well, and I've been very pleased with it. So that is the Fire Maple FMS 300T Ultralight gas stove. Nice and compact package there. When you're done, it all folds up nice and neat. I'll make sure that's not hot. Yep. See what I mean? You fold them all up like that. And this way, when you're done, all this stuff just kind of plops into place without getting in the way. Otherwise, you'll have that problem I almost had there, where stuff starts getting in the way and it won't close. These are nice and stiff, which I like. On the BRS stoves, they kind of flop around a little bit. So definitely a cool little stove. And you can see I can actually handle that now, just in the time we've been talking, which is about 3 minutes or so. So definitely cool. I thank you guys for watching. Link for this will be down below. My discount code as well, which will be Iridium242, will be down there. So if you want to pick this up, follow the link and then use that discount code. You'll see it about midway down the page with the new releases. And we also have our Amazon affiliate store. Don't forget to check that out, folks. I know some of you guys bookmark it and just use it when you shop. I really do appreciate when you do that because it allows us to bring you lots of cool gear, basically for the channel. Our freeze-dried wholesalers link. Now, it's a new month, it's March 1st. Got a lot of good deals going on this month. I'm going to be bringing you some other stuff. But my link down there, if you're just interested in getting some food together, with a 25-year shelf life, shelf-stable food, freeze-dried food from filet mignon to roast beef to pork to everything. You know, desserts, all sorts of great desserts, brownie bites, all sorts of cool stuff, even cheesecake. That link down there will save you 15%. So if you're interested in getting some food together for times we're seeing coming up, not a bad idea. It's really set and forget type stuff. You buy it, you put it away. It's all individual ingredients, so you can cook just like you normally would once the food's hydrated, and it is real good food. Nothing added to it. Below that is our My Patriot Supply link. That's prepare with iridium.com. Don't forget to check that out as well. We got some good deals going on there this month. And deals on the 4-week kit, the 1-year kit, 3-month kit. There's all sorts of good deals going on there, so check that out. And of course, our Thrive Life freeze-dried food store. I thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stay prepared.